Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our weekend edition of our tropical weather analysis for this Friday to Monday, September 8 to 11, 2023. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. And before we begin, we would like also to invite you to visit Comunidad for the latest in climate resilient and low carbon products that could help you out, especially this time of climate change. And we have products that could help you out. We have the Resilience Suite, the Sustainability Suite, Mobile CAC, Physical Impact Risk Assessment, and you will be having your own Climate Action Center if you're willing to avail their products. Just contact Mr. Aaron Cabasal at aaron.cabasal@comunidad.co, or contact him at 0976-160-7245. And if you visit our website, typhoon2000.ph, you can see the banner. Just click on the banner and you will be forwarded to a Google form that will let you fill out if you're interested in availing their superb products. Okay, this is a separate climate action center that will help you out, not even during typhoons, but during severe weather or any other weather disturbances. This Climate Action Center will help you out. So just visit the website, typhoon2000.ph, and click on the banner, or contact Aaron Cabasal for more details on their products. Okay, so that's Comunidad. So let's now begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. Everything is quiet across the Philippine Islands, inside the Philippine Area of Responsibility. No tropical weather systems, except for the usual afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms in various sections of the country. And we also still have the weakening southwest monsoon, bringing some busy conditions with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Moderate seas across extreme northern parts of Luzon, particularly Batanes, Babuyan Cobab Islands, and the coastal waters of Ilocos provinces, as it is being enhanced by a monsoon trough here over the East Asia area, connecting a shallow LPA, which is quasi-stationary, over southern China, which is now producing some floods across southern China, including Hong Kong. And we have Yun-yeung. This is once tropical storm Ineng, and is expected to make landfall just west of Tokyo within the next 24 hours. And outside of Pao, we are also observing this low pressure system to the west of Guam, and it's currently stationary. This is 90W, and its trough is extending into the southern portions of the Philippine Sea. This LPA is not expected to develop into a tropical depression, so nothing to worry about. And in the next couple of days, it will start to move towards the north, away from the Philippine Sea. So there you go. That's the GovSat for today. And if you take a look at the fast animation, so you can clearly see here the weak low pressure system 90W just west of Guam, and another one here over the area of the southern China, and it's bringing some flooding and rains across Guangdong and Hong Kong. And also Yun-yeung is forecast to make landfall over southern Honshu, and it's no longer producing ample amounts of convection, and it's likely to weaken or dissipate within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now here's the zoom in satellite animation. This is from windy.com. The animation is from 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. and you can clearly see here some thunderstorm activity across northern and central Luzon, portions of Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao, and some sections of the Bicol region. And we have here a trough connecting from LPA 90W, which is bringing some thunderstorms across the southern portions of the Philippine Sea. And localized thunderstorms is also expected over Mindanao, as mentioned earlier. And here's the Asian agency tracks of Yun-yeung, and it's expected to make landfall over southern Yunsu in 24 hours. Now here's the wind and pressure forecast from windy.com. This is from the European model. And right now we have here the LPA 90W, but tomorrow afternoon that LPA will start to move very slowly towards the north, while calm and variable winds will prevail across the Philippine Islands. It's quite normal. And on Sunday afternoon we have now 2 LPAs that is expected to roam over the Western Pacific. A new one will form to the south of Okinawa, just to the west of LPA 90W. Nothing to worry about these 2 systems. It's not expected to intensify. And on Monday, September 11, those 2 LPAs remains here over the Northwest Pacific or Western Pacific, and it's currently quasi-stationary. Nothing unusual on these 2 weather systems. And if you take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, it's quite dry across the Philippine Islands except for some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms over northern Luzon, Visayas, Mindoro, Palawan, and Mindanao, while the rest of the archipelago will remain hot, sunny, with a very high heat index around 40 to 50 degrees centigrade. So there you go. That's the latest for this weekend. It looks like we'll be having a good weekend ahead, except for those thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, which is very normal. Although it's quite, the rainfall is quite diminishing, okay, below normal average because of the ongoing El Nino. So for the rest of the weekend, enjoy ourselves, have our family time, and we'll see you again next week. This is Mike Padua saying good evening, happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.